In your presentation, one of the areas where you have more concern is the text. How you add text to the slide will determine how appealing your information will be to your audience. So we want to look at the different formatting styles that we have for the text in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's assume that this is my text. I can adjust the placeholder and move this text to wherever I want it to be and readjust it. And I can use this placeholder to resize the whole text as I want it to be. Alright. And I can increase the text by highlighting it. Now, one thing you should note is that the larger your text will determine how clear it will be to your audience. So make sure you always use a bigger font size. So you highlight the text, and on the home tab you choose a font size that is bigger. So if I choose 20, I think this is okay for me, and I can readjust it any way I want. Now this is done. I will also want to copy this text and paste it in a different place. So you want to copy this, you highlight it by clicking and dragging over it, or once you are inside the slide, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard and you highlight only that one. When you are outside the slide and you press Ctrl+A, it's going to highlight everything in that particular template, the slide here. But we only need it to affect only one slide. So just select only this placeholder which contains the text I want to select, and press Ctrl+A and select that entire text for you. Now right click and you select copy. You can also use the Ctrl+C to copy the text you want. And now I can repaste the text in my next other slide here and repaste it by right clicking again, and now you click on paste. You can also use the Ctrl+V to paste the text. And after I have pasted the text in this other slide, I will want to adjust it to make it more appealing. And note that the font size has also changed. I may want to increase it. Now when you are increasing the font size, remember it's affecting that only slide, it's not affecting the other slide. So you may want it to affect the entire slide, so you have to change it in the whole theme. And that's how it can affect your whole slide. Now apart from copying and pasting, we may want to also cut. In cutting, highlight the whole thing, right click and you click on cut. The cut will pick up the whole text in your placeholder and it's no more there, and I can repaste it by right clicking again and then selecting paste, or use the Ctrl+V to paste. Alright, so this is how you manipulate with the text. Now the next thing is that I may want to change to bold it, make it more deeper or darker, italize it. You want to underline it, so you underline it and all that. So you can just play with it, and this way you can change the font type. So change it from here. Good. And this is okay. If it's not okay, you highlight it again, and now you choose the font. Make sure this font that you are choosing is clearer for the people to see. Okay, so you can change the font. I can increase the font from here. Instead of selecting it, just use the A here. The arrow shows that you are increasing it, so this means you are increasing, and the arrow down means you are decreasing the font. I can change the alignment center, justify, and I can break it down into 3 rows or 2 rows or any other ways I want, but I want it in the 1 column. And so you manipulate with the text the way you want. Now I can change the color of the text. So we have a theme, so it's already black. I can change it into any theme that I want. So if I put it on red, that will best fit. So any color you choose will be the automatic color that will be here. So I can quickly click on it. So let's say I have chose green, so green is over here, and once I select any other text, I just click on the A, it's going to take that color, right? And once I choose a different one, black, is going to take over, and I can just click on this and also change. So this is how you manipulate with the text, and you can use this whole text, change to the smaller case form or sentence case. The sentence case capitalize the beginning of the letters. So in any sentence, it will capitalize the beginning after a full stop. That is how the sentence case work. So if you have typed your thing in the uppercase, like the one we were having here already, so you can, it was already in cap. So once you come to this and choose sentence case, if we choose capital, it's still in cap, capitalize the beginning. So every letter, every word, the beginning is being capitaled, but we want it to be in the sentence case form, and that is how it's going to be. And now you may want to know, to get the spacing of your text, the spacing 2.3.0, 2. So most of the times you see it in 1.0, but for you to make your things more clearer, I can leave it at double line spacing, that is 2.0. So that is how it is being done, and there are a lot of things you can do. And I can also find and replace a text. So let's see that I want to find and replace a particular text inside here. So I highlight the whole text and I come to find and replace, click on this, and what I find, what am I finding to replace? I want to replace this at contoso, and I want to replace it with IQ tech. I want to replace with IQ tech. So you can select replace all. The replace all, replace anywhere you see this word contoso, is going to replace it with the IQ tech. So if you have a bunch of text in your document, in your slide, and you want to change a particular word, just use the replace all. If I want to only replace this, I use what? The replace. But if I want to replace it wherever it is found, then I'll use what? Replace all. And now then click OK. And you can see that it has been replaced for me. So this is how you can manipulate with your text also, and you can get your text images and whatever you want to do with it. So let's say if I have selected this, you have some shapes inside that you want to manipulate with. Here we don't have, this is a shape, so I can use this as that. So let me use it here and you can see how it functions. Okay, you see that? So that one deals with a shape. Good. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification bell. Please like the video and comment. In that way YouTube will help extend my video to a larger audience.